The Prophet ﷺ says, if a person looks at a woman, unintentionally, he sees a woman, and then immediately after that, he lowers his gaze and does not raise his eyes towards her the second time, the Prophet ﷺ said, because of this practice of his, this amal of his, Allah Jalla wa Ala will bless him with sweetness in his ibadah. He will feel the mitas in his ibadah. People say, I can't attain khushu in my prayer. I cannot attain concentration in my prayer. Why is it I can't concentrate in my ibadah? Why is it that I think about dunya? Why don't I enjoy my recitation of Quran? Why don't I enjoy my salah? Why don't I enjoy my ibadat? Act upon one thing. Stop looking at haram. You will fall in love with your prayer. You will begin to shed tears in your prayer. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said this. If you looked at haram once, unintentionally, the second time when Satan makes you look at haram, control your eyes, lower your gaze, and what will be the benefit of that? Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, you will be blessed with sweetness in your ibadah. The true nur of ibadah, you will appreciate that in ibadah. So, when Satan says to you, but what about the enjoyment of the sin? Remind him, agar lazzate tarke lazzat badani, digar lazzate nafse lazzat na khan. You say that there is lazzat in sins, there is so much lazzat in avoiding sins. But we become like children. Kullu jadidin laziz. Every new thing is tasty. Every new face that we look at, we want to look at more. We want to look at the beauty of dunya. We want to look at the beauty of this world. Like a child, Shaykh Sadi Shirazi rahimahullah says, Chahel saal umre azizat guzasht, mizaje tu azhal tifli nagasht. He says, he's a waliullah, Shaykh Sadi Shirazi rahimahullah. A great waliullah, Shaykh Sadi Shirazi rahimahullah. He's a Chishti waliullah. A great waliullah and a Chishti shaykh. But he says to himself, he talks to himself, he addresses himself. He says, you're 40 years old now. Or Sadi, you're 40 years old. But you're still a child. You're still a bachcha. Chahel saal umre azizat guzasht, mizaje tu azhal tifli nagasht. He says, every new thing that you look at, you want to pick it up like a child. Huh? Like a bachcha. You're saying that you're an old man now, you're 40 years old now. But you're not 40 years old, you're still a child. Like you give a child a sweet, he will pick it up. Every new thing the child would want to pick it up, would want to benefit from it. Every new thing he will stretch his hands towards it. Or Sadi, every new thing that you look at, you want to enjoy it. You're still a child. Don't you say that you're a grown-up. So you say to Satan, I don't want to die this kind of death. I want to die such a death when I have the nur of Iman in my heart, the sweetness of Iman in my heart.